family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing guava lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Prepare this refreshing and delicious lemonade. These are the ingredients. I have water, lemons, a Chinese guava, look how large it is, a pinch of salt, granulated sugar. This is everything you need to prepare this refreshing and delicious guava lemonade. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar. I have 1 cup of water. And I'm going to take it to the stove and I'm going to start boiling the water until the sugar has dissolved completely and the simple syrup is ready. I'm going to put it aside and let it cool down to room temperature. And here I have my lemons. These are organic lemons from my lemon tree. They're small, but let me tell you, they have a lot of juice inside of them. Look at this. Now I am ready to start getting the juice out of the lemon. And I love this little gadget because it really gets all the amazing juice out, even the pulp. And for this video and this recipe, I am going to leave the pulp and the juice in this delicious and amazing guava lemonade. I'm only going to remove the seeds. But let me show you how easy it is to get the juice out of the lemons with this little gadget. Look at this. Of course, I'm going to continue getting the juice of the rest of the lemons. And here I have 1 cup of lemon juice with the pulp. And I am ready to start making this delicious, refreshing guava lemonade. Let me tell you, it's so hot here in California that I am ready to enjoy this lemonade with a lot of ice and delicious. But here I cut the guava in half. I'm going to get all the seeds out. You don't want to blend it with the seeds. You want to remove all the seeds really good. And I'm going to leave the skin of the guava too. I'm just going to remove the edges, these little edges, and I'm going to leave the skin. I want to see those little specks of green in my amazing lemonade. So I'm going to cut it. I'm going to chop it in small little squares so I could put it in my blender cup. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing and refreshing guava lemonade. Of course, I'm going to transfer all the guava to this plate. And then I am ready to start blending and making this amazing and delicious and refreshing guava lemonade. I have my blender cup here. I'm going to add my guava. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add the water. Look at this. The lemon juice. And now I am ready to blend. I'm sorry that I didn't film when I added the pinch of salt. But the pinch of salt really makes a difference. It's going to bring those flavors up of the guava, and it's going to lower the acidity of the lemon. And here I'm adding everything to this bowl. It's really thick. The color is really amazing. It's a light green. And now I am ready to add the simple syrup and some more water. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and refreshing guava lemonade. You are really going to love it. Remember, the simple syrup is to taste. Just add a splash of the simple syrup and it's to taste. I'm adding more water, and now I am ready to get my pitcher ready, full of ice, so that I could really enjoy this refreshing guava lemonade. Let me taste and see. Just a little bit. Oh, it tastes amazing. Okay, I am ready. Look at this. I want to show you from close up how beautiful the color looks. Remember, I left the skin on so you could still see little specks of the skin in the guava lemonade. And now I have a pitcher here. I'm going to add enough ice. And I am ready to pour this amazing guava lemonade. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make this delicious and refreshing lemonade. Once you make it, you are really going to love it. I am sure. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media. Subscribe so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing guava lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, it's nice and hot and I'm really going to enjoy it. Excuse me. The flavor of the guava with the lemon, just amazing and refreshing. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you can make this delicious and amazing, refreshing guava lemonade. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing guava lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.